Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming to you guys with a Make a Mix Monday. I haven't done one of these in a while, so I want to show you what I've been working on. I have this one here that I've been working on, and I don't have a name for it yet, but I'm going to think of one, and it's going to be this one here. Let's give it a second to focus. Let's see if it's focusing for you guys. And so this is the mix I've been working on, and this is going to be a set that I'm making for you to make your own mix, and you're going to get the mix including everything I used to make the mix, and you can do it yourself. So let me show you everything that I used. I already have some made here, right here, but I'm going to do some with you so you can see. This one is what I've been working on. I'm going to put it up in my Etsy store. See there? Beautiful! So I am asking 15 shipped for this set, okay? So let me show you everything that you're getting. You are going to get everything I used for this mix. So the first thing I'm going to add is a mix in itself, which is this here. I really liked this mix when I bought it this way, but it inspired me to make kind of my own. So I added this to my mix. So everyone's going to get a teaspoon of this. Okay, this is what I added. So I'm going to do that with you here. I'm just going to do a little teaspoon of everything, kind of like what you're getting. I did a teaspoon of that. So you're going to get a teaspoon of that, which is this here. I used holographic navy, which is this one here. You're also going to get this in 1mm. I used that. Everyone's going to get a bag in your set. I used another blossom mix, which is this one here. Everyone's getting a teaspoon. Everyone's getting this in your set. And I also used mirror effect blossoms that I added for extra shine, which are these. Everyone's getting a teaspoon bag as well of that. A teaspoon is this, okay? This is what I'm using. You can add more or little of whatever you like, and your mix is going to come out different depending if you want to add more or less of certain glitters in there to get different effects. Okay, we got those out the way. I also used dots. This one has mostly all dots, so I used 2mm matte white dots. Throw that in there. Everyone's getting one of those right here. 2mm dots. I threw in 2mm dots in the golden blue rainbow that I have, which is this one here. We could just call it my cold tones dots, fantasy white. Okay, I'm going to get that, of course, which is going to be think I bagged it yet, so, oh yes I did. It's right here. You're getting a bag of that. I don't know if I showed you these, that you're getting these as well. That was thrown in there. I'm going to also be adding the same 2mm dots in rainbow. Right here. Everyone's getting, of course, your teaspoon right here. And I have it also in the warm tones, which we are also throwing in there 2mm dots to keep with the dot theme here. Here it is in my pink champagne. So pretty. And everyone's getting that as well. Okay, let me close these up so I don't spill none of these. Okay. Put everything I use to the side here. Forgive me for 1 second. I'm also using my metallic denim blue slushy mix. Metallic. This is my denim blue. That's a slushy mix. Everyone's getting a teaspoon of that. Super sparkly metallic, beautiful, beautiful. And I am also throwing in Mylar. In the chunkier, this one is my raspberry lemonade Mylar. Here is my raspberry lemonade Mylar. Everyone's getting some of that. This is a mix that I made. And then I also used holographic micro unicorn dandruff. And this is my more expensive stuff, but I'm giving everyone a full teaspoon. There's this one, the holographic turquoise, and the super fine powder. I'm hoping it, there you go. It's a super, super, super fine powder. They're micro flakes. I call them unicorn dandruff. Everyone's getting some of that. I threw some of that in the mix. Everyone's getting a full teaspoon. I also threw in some mirror rectangles, which is this here. Gotta make it sparkle. So everyone's getting their teaspoon. You're gonna get everything, everything that comes in the mix. That is what my make a mix is. You're gonna get the mix, including everything to make your own. And lastly, I am adding some Blue Fantasy Gold Hexies in 2mm. Or, I'm sorry, 1.5 mm. That's in between 1 and 2 mm, which is my favorite size. And that's this one here. It's a fantasy blue and it has a beautiful pinkish golden effect. And everyone is getting a teaspoon. And that is what I use to make my mix, guys. Let's give this a mix here. You guys can see. Super sparkly, super pretty. And there it is, guys. You're also going to get a full tablespoon of my mix. Okay, so you're going to get a bigger bag of that for yourself. I'm going to give you a big full tablespoon with your order, and you're going to get all the bags that we used. Okay, you're going to get everything. A teaspoon set of everything. And that is my Mega Mix, guys. I will keep this sale up for the week, and then after that the bundle is probably going to go up to $20. So right now for this week only, it is going for 15 shipped. Okay, questions, comments, you can leave them below. You can shoot me an email if you're interested in a bundle, and I will keep these going out until I run out of one of these glitters, and then I can't make the bundle anymore. Alright guys, thanks so much for tuning in as always, and until next time, I hope everyone is staying safe out there, and hopefully see you guys soon. Bye!